And moving right along to our retail project, small. And
this award will be handed out by Anya Hoffman from Cushman & Wakefield.
Anya, come and join us on stage.
And we have 4 nominees in this category. These are Luka Living, Czech Republic, Retail Park Petrivka, Phase 1, Citrus, Ukraine, Vendo Park Chodzież, Tri Real Estate, Poland, Vis-a-vis Wilanów, Capital Park, Poland.
Anya, welcome, and thank you for helping us hand out this award and sponsoring it.
Good evening. I have pleasure to present the award to Vis-a-vis Wilanów, Capital Park.
Welcome again.
Yep. Welcome again. Come join us for a photo over here. Oh, feel free to say a few more words. Yes.
I don't know what to say, but I guess the only thing I can say with Capital Park, they also are listed on the Warsaw Stock Exchange, and since they've been listed, it has been a superb investment for sure. And Capital Park is also one of the 5 companies coming with us to our event in Tokyo, in Japan, for so-called trophy properties of Central Europe. So Capital Park is one of the guys coming. Please accept this award on their behalf, and congrats again to them.
And what day are you doing this in Japan?
25 April.
25 April. I'm going to come. That
Yeah.
sounds great. And come join us for a photo.